Hello, welcome once again. The name still remains Bopetech to the TV. Today we are going to learn a different way to make money online into your mobile money account. If you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and let's jump into this video. Also give us a like and put your comment in the comment section. Now, check in the description, there is a link to this website. Now, when you go to this website, they'll give you they will give you a form to register. The link will just take you to the form. You register with your name, you just put your number, send, and they'll give you verification code. When the verification code is in, your type it. That's all. You now enter your name, your correct name linked to your mobile money account, and that's all. You start to earn money with this website. This website is not new to this channel. We first talk about it, but they are now on update. First, our minimum withdrawal was 50 Ghana cedis, but now they are on a withdrawal of 100 Ghana cedis. Someone asked me why. Now they are paying is what? Huge. Now they are willing to pay billions of people. They upgrade their website and they now have Telegram groups that you can join. Now I'm going to show you all the way you can earn money from this website. Now people, I invested money into Bitcoins investment and I lost about almost 1,500. Is it a 150 USDT? So that makes me to run lost, and I couldn't make more videos about such platform because they are not legit, they are fakes. So I'll use my money to take such a risk before I make a video for you people, because I love my viewers and subscribe. Please, if you know you are watching this video and you are new, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Anytime that the video is being uploaded, you will be notified. Please, that is the only thing I'm always begging for. And give this video a like so that the video will go viral. Now, what we are going to do, someone said the channel does not, like there's something did no change, is the same. Yes, that's how it is. Now let me go to my bail record and show you something. I draw 50 cedis to add for this website. This are my withdrawal proof. 50. They are all success, but now they change it and upgrade it to a way that people can make huge. So when you've been able to reach a threshold of 100 cedis, when you draw, you can use it to do something. Now, do you know what they are asking you to reach 100 cedis? We have something we call membership VIP upgrade. Now, you are not going to upgrade. You change that your 100 cedis into profit. So you sell your 100 cedis for some people, they'll use it to trade and you earn a commission 6 cedis in every day. Now, how do we do this? And that one, your 100 cedis will not going on run. You are not going to run it lost. You have your 100 cedis at the same time earning on the profit in this same website. So you type on the home, you come to home. This is home. So when you come to home like this, you type on it, and this they ask you to invite to join. Now when you invite someone to join, you earn a commission. That one is still there. And you go to mine, you earn daily commission every day, which is 1 cedi, as we all know. So if you know you are new, just follow the tips as I'm showing you. Now you go to today and type on complete. So when you type this complete task, they'll give you the 1 cedi, let it load, and when it's done, we'll go. So and today they say complete task. Now when you type on this task, you will receive your 1 cedi. It will pop out now. You see, they said I authorize the application to generate IPs and inject them into the IP pool. So when you type get 1 cedi free machine, so when you type in it, you receive your 1 cedi. Now we are going to where you change or you sell your or you give your money for workers to work and you earn a commission. Now when you check down there, there is another one they will call fund. So you type on this fund. How do we fund? Now I'm using free member, you are also using free member. Don't worry, we are going to fund. Now they said you should fund your account with 100 Ghana cedis 3 days. Now when you fund it with 3 days, you earn 6 cedis profit. So every 3 days you earn 6 cedis profit. So in that 3 days they'll give you your money back. You refund it again. So assuming your money reach 100 cedis and you don't feel like withdrawing the money, you can use it to fund and earn more. This website came for long and they are paying good. Anyone who knows about this website will say they are paying very good. Please, if you did not know anything about this website and you are online searching how to make money, we the YouTubers ourselves, we are running lost. You see, I said I lost 150 USDT. This 150 USDT is almost 1,000 something. Yes, they asked to invest. I invested into those platforms to see whether I can gain and make a video for my viewers and subscribers. Up to now, the website, you can't draw money from them. You even open, some will not even open, some are out of under review, some are upgrading, and yeah, so I locked and I could not make a video. So just watch this video till the end and I have a giveaway for you. And this is the other one. Now when you check here, you have another order called VIP. Now when you type on this VIP, you can upgrade your account. So when you purchase 200 cedis period, which is 30 days, every day you earn 12 cedis as a profit. Like this daily commission that we earn 1 cedi when you are in free period. When you purchase the 200 cedis, you can get 12 cedis. Let's say you are in this VIP 1 free member, you are earning 12 cedis every day, and 3 days you earn 6 cedis. You are going to earn a lot. You earn more than this your money. A month you can even earn up to 2,000. So if you are into this, how do we purchase it? So you just type on it like this and type on confirm. You're saying insufficient, so you go to home, you go to mine. We are going to recharge. I don't have money in my wallet, but I'm going to show you how you are going to recharge. So you type on this recharge. This is the recharge. So you type on it, recharge, you see it. So you just type on this recharge. There are 2 steps. The name is here, Steven Efisa. You copy the name, transfer method, bank limited. So you just transfer from your bank. If you know you don't have bank or you don't know this bank transfer, now you can use that your mobile money app to transfer this money to this bank. So when you finish transferring into this account, just copy or screenshot it, come and upload it here and enter the amount you recharge and the name you transfer to. So sorry, the name is the name in your bank account that you have used to transfer, and just tap in recharge. Definitely your money will load in. So the minimum amount to recharge is 50 cedi. So when you upload, you submit, you see it. So when it's finished and the money is there, you go to VIP and purchase for your VIP. So when you come to this tax every day, so the VIP one, every day you get commission of 12 cedis. If you are in VIP 2, you get a commission of 30 cedi. VIP 3, you get a commission of 30 cedi. Okay. VIP 4, commission of 30 cedi. VIP 5, commission of 60 cedi. VIP 6, commission of 60 cedi. VIP 7, commission of 150 cedi for daily tax without doing anything. So this VIP 8, you get a commission of 250 Ghana cedis. Daily tax is even 14 taxes, and this one daily tax is 10, this one 4. So when you purchase the VIP 1, the daily tax is also 1. So let's say you purchase the last VIP 8 and this 225 Ghana cedis commission times 14, what are you going to get? Let's go to a calculator. 224 times 14, 224 times 14. So a day you can even earn 3,000. Let's say you use 10,000 to purchase, like to upgrade, and a day you earn 3,000 like this. Within 1 week you even gain more than your money and you are good to go. When you earn your money, you don't even have any stress in it again. All you need is just to be receiving, and when you invite a friend, you earn more. Now let's go to the giveaway. This is the giveaway. Now type on service. This service will move you to where you learn to make more. I'm going to teach you this as a secret. Now they said about withdrawal, 5 ways to earn. Now type in this 5 ways to earn. Invite other people to become members. If invite person passes the registration verification, you get 1 cedi there in no limit. So that one you can refer more than many people. There is a tax every day. You can get 1 Ghana cedis for completing tax. It is totally free. Buy experience fund, and person can only buy once. So when you buy one, unless the 3 days reach, so you buy again. Become advertisement promotion member and complete the promotion tax every day. So build your own team and let them earn more money, and you will have more commission. So when you build a team, you gather audience and show like and give them as I'm doing. So when they use your referral link and register, you earn more. Now when the more referrals you bring, the more they start giving you the promotion. So when they give you this question for the promotion, the more you refer, they'll be glad to become their advertising member. So every day they'll give you this advertising tax, so you receive the money. And thank you for watching this video. Please always be a support to this channel, and don't forget to give us a like and share this video. Thank you. Check the last part. If you know you are someone who like betting and you want to make money online with bet, please just go and download 1xBet. Use the promo code GaddafiBet. The GaddafiBet will be in under the description below, and it will also be on the screen of this video. So just download after registration. Use my promo code. You earn 200% bonus of it. And the only thing that is even good about it is when you stake and loss, they'll give you half of your stake. So don't forget to use my promo code GaddafiBet. Bye bye.